If I had to start Amazon PPC in 2026 from scratch, here's exactly how I will do it. And by the way, it's not going to be the normal advice you usually see online because things are just so different now. Like algorithms change, the competitions are so much more higher, CPC shifts a lot faster. So today I'm going to walk you through exactly step by step on how I would manage a full Amazon PPC account in 2026. Not theory, not some outdated practices from the 2020, but a system that aligns exactly how Amazon actually behaves in 2026. Before step one, I want to give a quick little mindset shift. So, Amazon PPC is no longer a channel you manage, it's a system that you design. If every improvement requires you to log in, analyze reports, tweak bids, wait, and check again tomorrow, today, the real advantage is not knowledge, it's reaction speed. So, everything I'm about to share comes from one core principle: minimize human delay as much as possible. So, let's get into step one. I would completely stop manual bidding, like completely. This is usually controversial, so let me explain this very slowly. Manual bidding makes sellers feel like they're in control. You raise a bid, impressions go up. You lower a bid, spend drops. But that sense of control is misleading. Each keyword doesn't have one correct bid. It has changing value based on competition, time of day, intent, pricing, and even stock availability. So when sellers manually adjust bids once or twice daily, what they're really doing is reacting to history, not current reality. So by the time you actually notice the problem, the damage has already happened. If I were to start all over again today, I wouldn't ask what would I set this bid to. I'd ask what result do I want from this keyword consistently. And once that question changes, manual bidding stops being useful. Step two, I'd build PPC around goals, not just campaign types. This is another major mistake I would completely avoid. Most ad accounts are structured around Amazon's formats, auto campaigns, exact campaigns, broad campaigns. It's good to have it like that, but it's not really strategic. If I were starting PPC in 2026, I'd build campaigns around intentions. Like some campaigns exist to scale profit, some exist to test keywords, some exist to defend branded searches, and some also exist to collect data cheaply. So each campaign has only one job, and when a campaign has one purpose, optimization becomes obvious. So either it's accomplishing that goal or it's not. So you don't tweak endlessly, you adjust decisively. And this will remove 80% of the confusion seller battle every single day. And I just promise you that. Anyways, step three, I'd obsess over less traffic and more over quality. So this is the hard truth. Amazon is very good at giving you a lot of traffic and a bunch of people to your products. But it's not good traffic. Like, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I've not really seen that much pure good quality traffic coming to a lot of people's products. If I were starting today, I would stop treating clicks as progress. Most clicks don't mean growth. More impressions isn't an opportunity because a lot of people click on your product and they don't buy it and they just cost you money for the clicks. So I look for repeatable conversion behavior. Which keyword consistently converts, not brings the most impressions? Which placements actually close sale? Which queries look attractive but quietly drain the margin? So profitable PPC isn't about being everywhere. It's about being in the right places repeatedly, and I'd aggressively protect those right places. Anyways, step four is I'd use automation from day one, not later. This is the biggest shift from traditional thinking. Most others believe automation is something you graduate into. But first you learn PPC, then you automate. But guess what, guys? That is not true, and I fully disagree with this. If I were starting today, I would automate early, but responsibly. Automation is not about handing over control, it's about the execution speed. You're basically comparing yourself against so many people who are automating it and are being successful with it. So why don't you automate it as well? It's all about lowering bids the moment conversion drops, raising the bids the moment performance strengthens, and I'd basically use automation as the baseline and reserve the human input for the strategy. Anyway, step five is outstructure ACoS and budgets like a business. This is where many accounts slowly leak a lot of profit. they pick one ACoS goal, they apply it everywhere, and then wonder why scaling feels painful. In reality, different products tolerate different ad costs. Different keywords justify different investment levels. So if I was starting today, I'd think in ranges, not absolutes. So budgets wouldn't be static. They'd expand when efficiency is strong and contract not when signals weaken. And what this looks like when it's working. When PPC is built this way, it feels very different. Like you're not really chasing any fires, you're not stressed by daily volatility, you're not making emotional decisions. So this is exactly what an automated system should be making you like not feel. Like you should not be getting stressed. This should instead save you time and have you stressed over your actual business, not the PPC part of it. So this is exactly where AI Hello will literally help you out with this. This is not to replace your thinking or just, replace humans, but this is just so it could work a lot faster and on actual facts rather than your own emotional and like thinking, right? Because Amazon PPC changes way too quickly for human to actually go in and, make their adjustments. And this is exactly what AI Hello does in the background. It literally adjusts the bids in real time. It controls the ad spend even at 2 a.m. when you're sleeping. It trims waste really fast and pushes the winners confidently. So instead of managing chaos, you're overseeing a system. You set the goals, AI Hello handles the execution. So if I were starting PPC in 2025, I wouldn't try to be smarter. I would just use automation and do everything what the winners are doing. I'll see you soon.